Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to share something in React Native using React Native share library. If you want to share your app link, if you want to share your YouTube channel link, if you want to share your photos and React Native, so how can we share that thing? So for that we are using the React Native share library. So I already create my button, so when I pressing that button it will show the modal of the sharing, and then I can share my YouTube channel link. So in that, so for that we are using the React Native share. This is library. So this is the React Native share library. So if you are using the React Native more than 70 version, so you can just copy this yarn add and just come to your terminal and paste it. So we need to read the documentation. For the document we have some configuration, and for the Android, so we should do that configuration. Just copy that link. And for the iOS we need to install our ports again. Just copy that and it will be installed your ports. For the Android we need to use the permission for the Android. We just copy that and go to the Android manifest and just paste it in your top. And there I already pasted, but you can paste it in your top. So it will be give a permission to share your app or share your link from the React Native project. So after that, so if you are using the SDK 30, you need to configuration this, or if you are using the React Native lower than 70 version or 67, 65, so we don't need to manually linking because we are using the React Native 74 version. So these are the command for the manually linking. So after that you need to start your project. cd yarn iOS. After installing your library and running your iOS app, now we want to run our Android, yarn Android. And after installing the library and running your app in Android and iOS both, so now we need to call that function of share. So for the sharing your app or link, so these are props, like a message. You want to send a message on the share activity. Title, you can give a title, URL, and URLs. If you want to use multiple URL, you can use the URL. If you want to use the one single URL, you can type the single URL. Type, subject, email. These are some props, you can use it. So first we should import our share app in the top of our project. So just paste it, and now we need to create some function to call our share app. For that, share app, I will call it share app and make it async, or try open it. Get a variable with the name of response, and then await and copy the share command we have. Copy the share function we have and just paste it here and log print the response. And after writing these, so now we need to go to the catch. Like if you are facing some error, so you should know about that. So error. So now we need to create the variable and add your URL on that, or other things. Cons, I will create a cons and option with the name of option. Create an object and URL. Just paste your link. I will copy my channel link and paste it here. and then save it, and then I will call my share function. Just come to the on press and paste it, and just see app stack. See, this is working. So you can also copy the multiple links, just make this URL to URLs, and define the array in here. It will be copy your multiple links. Also you can type the message also in here. Let me check in Android also. So is it working or not? Yeah, in Android also it's working. So this is the share and React Native. Hope you like this video. For next video, see you. Bye bye.